Coots and I built our solar power boat, but we didn't really have a chance to test it out against big waves. The challenge is that the lake is 11 miles away and it's the middle of winter.
Today we're headed out to the lake. Got a few issues though, mainly the river being frozen solid. It's like tying down with steel rebar.
They're just getting up and running. How is it today?
There's the dock. I haven't made the best progress.
We're jammed up pretty good.
If you're going downstream, after you make a little path of broken ice, the broken ice gets pushed by the current and follows you.
Well, we're stuck.
We're plowing so much ice.
That was a bust. We're completely iced in, and we're not going anywhere. We've only gone about 1,000 feet. Things are looking quite bleak. So, today's not the day. We are shoving off. It's literally perfect out. Today is gonna be a good day. All of the ice seems to have melted. Was that ice?
We are seeing ice out here. 7.5 miles to Lake St. Clair. All the bridges around here have a little sign telling you the distance to the lake. Downtown. We're coming up across one of our favorite areas, the little marine junkyard.
I think it's like a dredging, like, awesomeness company.
I want to own everything that's on this land.
That thing's new, the yellow thing? Man, they got the coolest stuff there.
It looks like an awesome hangout for after zombies take over Earth.
Ah, so cool.
Yeah, sausage egg McGriddle, that would be delicious right now.
It's kind of alarming how much garbage is in the river.
Nobody I've talked to has came up with an answer as to what these signs mean. If you know that one, please let us know in the comments. Harrison 2, what are you? Harrison 3, what could you be?
Harrison 4, can there be more? Harrison 5, can you jive? Harrison 6.
It's frozen in.
I went into the ice on accident. You good? My bad. Well, it's not that thick of ice, so that's good. Ooh, maybe it's kind of thick.
The further we get, the more often we're getting more narrow spots. Here's I-94, 5.9 miles from Lake St. Clair. Something must have rammed that pylon so hard to break up that hunk of cement.
Honey pit. Oh, that's electric, huh?
Yes, sir. Got solar panels up top.
Oh, cool.
This is our first major obstacle. It might take some sledgehammering. Yeah, mostly I'm just concerned about what this bodes for the future.
Dude, this is awesome. Take a shot down the line on the right.
Couple of trailblazers like Lewis and Clark.
Onward!
I dove for it. Nap time.
Hey, Coots, you want to try and get
I'm doing something important.
Okay. You want to try and get the huge 2x4 that I just rolled over? I think it's stuck.
Hasn't made it back here yet.
I rolled over a huge 2x4 and it didn't come out.
Here it comes. Uh-oh.
You got it?
No. There's a huge... Look at this. It's got this huge sheet of ice with it.
Oh my god. Welcome to Money Pit Building.
Yeah, where's that?
You know it's going to be a good day when Coots gets the battle axe out. Dude, I think it opens up.
Hold up.
Oh, that does not sound good. Oh, there's an iceberg in the motor.
Yeah. Look at that. I think there's an area that you carved out with the prop. That is not an optical illusion. That is all straight ice.
No! Oh my God, how can this be frozen?
It's gotta open back up.
Dude, we're getting the hammers out.
It can't be frozen the entire way to the lake.
Dude, I think it opens up over there.
It looks like it, yeah.
We got this. What's that noise?
I think they're sending bombers out for us. It's some siren from Selfridge.
This is not good. That is scary. They probably turned that thing on because they saw us and wanted to scare the shit out of us. Mission accomplished. That's gotta be one of the coolest things in the world.
What's that one? Harrison 5. We're still alive. A little bit of ice is hanging up, but you break it up in the front a little bit, it makes it a lot easier to slide through. And I think it opens up out there. Harrison 5, we are alive.
Yeah. People keep driving by and giving us the weirdest looks. We got a nice straight path though. Going 250 watts, charging 53. We could go for infinity, which is awesome. There's a dude we're watching us probably on his lunch break. He probably has a normal life. Us, not so much. This is taking us about 2 hours to get this little strip, I bet. Oh my God, that's what we need right there. A big metal barge with an excavator on it. That would be so much fun. Hit that subscribe button and let's make this happen. Dude, it looks like a just huge path of ice. Cooch has got the right idea. Cooch is on the second story right now, trying to scout it out a little.
Drive me around, Mark. I've got chilling to do.
We are almost to open water, but it's only a stretch of 50 yards, and then it's just straight ice again.
A lot of ice.
Well, Cooch is breaking up ice. There's a Chinook over there. Oh, he's going. He's going. Oh, yeah.
That is awesome.
We're gonna be cooking some Nathan's Jumbo restaurant style beef ring. That guy's loving it. Oh, we got a couple people watching. I've been wanting these hot dogs all week. We keep eating beef stew, and I'm not complaining, but this is gonna be delicious. Uh-oh, Cooch, you got a partner.
Well, we'll just go around and Thank you, though.
She's just making sure we're okay.
Yeah, she has to need to call help.
Like and subscribe! I'm cooking, Frankie. We should be live streaming. Okay, we got a Chinook off the back, people stopping. I'm cooking. Here's another person pulling up. There's a lot going on right now. We have the gourmet. Never had this before. Top sliced buns. Cooch said they were the thing. Apparently he's been holding out on a secret. But it just seems so much more proper to cut them down the middle. Like they'll just hold the dog better.
Money to voting, but we just hold the dog better.
Dinner is served. This guy is still over here.
Probably his weekly or monthly PMCS. Preventative Maintenance Checks and Services.
Coots was in the army. Coots went to war. That's so intense. We ran out of time and energy, but it was not the end. Today's the day. It's gotta be open. Oh boy.
There's ice.
Making us nervous.
This is not what I wanted to see. Oh dear. That one's real curious.
It's actually the warmest it's been. It says it's 46 right now. Who's just got in. It's gonna make some Dinty more. It's just finished cooking, and you can tell because there's lots of condensation on the windows from the
That's why
propane.
we steamed up the windows.
Yeah, it's not our relationship.
Our relationship.
Last time we were at this part of the river, this was all ice, but it is smooth sailing. And there's a A-10 jet taxiing around the runway over there. Things are looking great. Someone just honked and waved. We got that parking structure. We passed it. We are definitely officially past where we made it last time. We are at the Bridgeview Street Bridge. We got 3.5 miles left until Lake St. Clair. We got Harrison 6. We're still full of tricks. Here we are with the ship named the Pride of Michigan coming up at Bumpers Landing, and I don't want to brag, but
we've ate there before.
Is there a little tugboat out here? I think there's a little tugboat.
looks like he's ripping out dock posts or something. Yeah, they're building our future headquarters.
I am the captain now.
Look at how wide that barge is, man. Imagine the cabin we could build on that. Oh, they're tugging him. They're tugging him with the excavator arm.
I see the lake, dude.
A bigger tugboat pushing a bigger barge. Well, that's DME. There's Dean Marine Excavating.
Oh, okay. So now we can go talk to them.
Those are the two awesome properties on the river with all the cool toys we want. We got like a fleet out here. What's up, guys? Look at that thing. That thing is a monster.
Look at how big that thing is.
Port of Detroit.
Look at how much gear they have here. Look at how tall that barge is. Okay, where's Dean?
Mr. Marine. That was cool stuff with the Dean Marine, our sister company.
You should go on the second story to see like the color change.
I'm gonna wait to see what the lake looks like.
Get out there, man. It's fine.
This dude knows the chat will take off if it has me die on air. I'm not entirely a fan of that ladder on the stable river.
What's the worst that could happen?
I could get hypothermia and die. I'm not comfortable with how funny he thought that was. This is the furthest we've ever been by far. See you land, I'm never coming back.
Yeah, you were pretty smart not to go.
That's a big one.
Sketchy, man.
We did it!
We made it to the lake.
Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh yeah, the world is our oyster. Hopefully the motor's strong enough to push us against the wind. This is amazing. Welcome to Money Pit Boating! To the lake! Dude, look at how far it goes out that way.
Dude, the wind is pushing us sideways, and now it's getting rocky, and now we're on the second floor.
Yeah.
And we gotta get down.
Yeah.
If you'll notice, Kootz's wide base. Look at how high up we are, man. A couple of decent sized rollers with a little bit of white cap coming on them. I hope we can get down. This is sketchy.
Oh my.
Oh man, this is a bad idea.
got a white cap. Whoa! Oh, we're coming up to the biggest waves we've ever came across.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
There. Oh, splash zone. Yeah, we're coming around the bend, and that bend has been breaking a lot of the waves down for us. Might start to get a little bit hairy. Oh, here's a good one. We do have the generator running just to charge the batteries. That does look like a big iceberg. Probably get a pretty good view if you climbed up top for us real quick.
Yeah, I'll get right on it.
I've never heard anything bad happening with boats and icebergs. It's choppy. It hits different. It's not gonna push us into the rocks, is it? Okay. Well, we better turn around.
Oh shit, I think we're on land.
We are kicking up mud.
You gotta put the motor up. This is not good. Oh man.
Hey, are we gonna get pushed in those rocks over there? Only if I'm an idiot.
We didn't hit the rocks. We hit the rock under the water. I'm staring at the penguins over there.
Right. Ooh, that was hairy. Welcome to Money Pit Boating. Coming up on the iceberg. This is the only known colony of penguins in Michigan.
They look like seagulls, but they're actually penguins.
Right.
Rare breed.
Oh my God, the penguins! They've learned to fly!
This is what's left of Antarctica.
Man, I hope that anchor grabs.
Dude, that is a lot of ice. I just hope we don't drag. Because that'll be fun to get out of. Watch this video right here to see what inspired this video, or watch this video of some of our favorite adventures. And thanks for watching.